Okay guys, what we have here is a John Deere 2950 from retirement. He had it on his mower is what he's been using it on. See, the hydraulics are quick. The mower does not sell with the tractor. The mower is for sale. Quad cab or factory quad cab. Starts easy. Nice smooth running truck. A little wear on the seat, but otherwise the interior is pretty nice. Very clean. All the lights and flashers are working. It has brand new tires, guys. They still have the knobbies on them. Dual hydraulic remotes. Tail lights, of course the back flashers are working. Tail lights are working. Again, absolutely brand new tires.